How to change your Facebook password on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will show you how you can change your Facebook password on your Android phone. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to my channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, if you want to change your password, if you do remember your old password, you have to go ahead and then open up Facebook and then go to the menu page. Scroll down to the very bottom, go to settings and privacy, and then go to settings. Once you go to settings, scroll down and select security and login. Once you go to security and login, scroll down and then find change password. Now once you tap on change password, enter your current password which you currently know, and then enter the new password to which you want to change to, reconfirm and retype the new password, and then tap on the update password button. That way you will simply be able to change your Facebook password if you do remember it. However, on the other hand, if you do not remember your old password and you're logged into your account, then you can simply select forgotten password. So tap on forgotten password option. So you need to make sure you have access either to the email address or the phone number which you have actually linked with your Facebook account. So if I go ahead and select email, you have to tap on the continue button. You have to verify the 6-digit code with your email, which you will certainly receive via your email app, which you have actually set to if you're logged in. Or else you could come back basically and then you could simply select phone number. You could go ahead and select a phone number, reconfirm the verification method, re-enter your new password, and that way you will simply be able to change your Facebook password. This is how you can change your Facebook password on Android if you've forgotten them or if you know your old password as well. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.